Hello guys, let's come up with some AI research ideas. So if you are coming up trying to do AI research, this is how you get ideas. You copied this repository's link. I'm gonna leave it below the video. So you will write in your Codex or Claude Code, give it the URL and say clone this, read it, and give me some AI research ideas. So this is my harness for scientists. So it's not just AI research, it's all types of scientists, biology, math. I'm still building it, so if you have any issues, features, recommendations, you can go there and talk in the issues section. Anyways, this is harness for research. So this is what we will send. And if you open it here in agents/skills, there is this find AI research direction. So later I will add other ideas as well. And in skill MD, you can read if you want. It's just about like how it should help you. By the way, you can ask this harness to set up experiments, do experiments autonomously. It can spawn many agents working on many different projects in parallel, independent projects, like this project for optimizing inference, this one for transformer, this one for parallel connections, all of these so this is what I'm building, harness for researchers to accelerate research. Here it's already coming up with some ideas like tiny model compositional generalization, rare information learning, forgetting of rare information, reliability of autonomous research agents. This is what I'm exactly doing myself, by the way. Autonomous research agents are very cool. It already came up with some very good questions like, do optimizers learn rare information differently? And can targeted real data reply prevent synthetic data tail collapse? So there are so many cool questions, and you can tell it like, I want to do large language models or robots or reinforcement learning. If you have any like voice cloning, video generation image, or if you don't know any of these, you can just like tell it, okay, let's chat about this, what other kind of fields we have, and you just talk to AI here. And if you want to learn how to do AI research, just join school. We have so many students, beginners, software engineers, everybody, PhD students, and we have courses, community, and I'm going to help you one-on-one. So here I'm going to ask it, let's get some ideas that will help me get into OpenAI later. This is just, you can just talk to it, it's like your agent. And OpenAI is going to look for strong evidence of research taste, experimental rigor, engineering ability. So OpenAI is currently looking for research engineering that combines rigorous evaluation with working systems like agent, frontier evaluations, reasoning, retrieval, post-training safety. Long horizon agents are very important, long horizon thinking, working, so you can create some data set add some conflicting evidence, failed commands, etc. And then maybe predicting like how much compute or thinking time is necessary for which task. This is also one research direction. Or so interesting, can model activations predict that an agent will falsely claim tool success before it generates that claim? So before it even generates text, can some activations within the model predict that it's going to be false? So this way you can just continue talking to AI now. This system, this harness that I told you to clone, it also can do experiments autonomously. My goal is to just have a bunch of people, bunch of like researchers, real researchers here in Beijing, maybe in San Francisco. I'm coming to San Francisco later, and just try to like build an open source tool for all of the researchers that's gonna like orchestrate many agents. They're gonna do experiments autonomously, like hypothesis, experiment, validation, and then circling that, and then just doing like scaling to many agents, a lot of compute, this whole system. So you can just look at the repository I'm building that I told you, Open Discovery, and just tell it to do research autonomously, tell it to help you come up with ideas and all this stuff. So I actually told it here, I have this like CEO agent, and it's gonna like, it has this research, it's like running Quen, model Quen on MacBook, or some LoRa training and some autonomous research agents here. And each of these agents has its own sub-agents, so there is the boss of the lab, has 3 independent projects, each of them working autonomously. So maybe we're gonna just also build like this system that can scale completely with more agents, more independent work, and all this stuff. So you can join the Discord to discuss, you can join the school to learn, and see you in the next video.